Greetings. I just wanted to touch bases with you very early on in the semester and explain a few things about the online course world. I've taken lots of online courses. Two of my degrees were mostly online, so I understand both sides of the desk. And I know that online coursework is not for everybody, and I completely understand. I like to establish this early on in the semester in case you make the life decision to go ahead and drop or withdraw. There will be no hard feelings. I just want to make sure that you have a guideline as to what's expected for you in case you need to reevaluate your semester. Some of you are taking very heavy course workloads this semester. Some of you are trying some new things this semester as far as content, and I just want to make sure that you're making the best decision for you. So let's talk a little bit about an online course. Yeah, I do the best, all online courses I'm sure, but at this one in particular, I really try to emulate the content of a face-to-face class. So therefore you have all the readings and things that I'd like to explain to you in person, but it's an online course. And then we also have the discussion, and of course in a traditional classroom sometimes you have the students who sit in the back and look at the ground every time the professor asks a question, and it's not an option here. The discussion board is a pretty weighty part of your final grade, so you definitely need to stay active with that. Something else I'd like to talk about is the workload besides the discussion board. Every week we'll have the discussion board. Every week we'll have a chapter to read. Usually every week we're going to have 1 to 2 assignments in addition. Sometimes it's a short quiz, sometimes it's a short writing, sometimes it's a group writing, sometimes it's a heftier individual writing. So just keep that in mind as you go through the course schedule. Kind of map those out, make sure that it fits your needs at this point in your life. I'd also like to talk a little bit about the setup of a course, because an online course, I completely welcome you to work ahead, and I try to post 2 or 3 weeks ahead. You can see most of the assignments, you can see the readings, you can see what's expected. However, it's not to be confused with an independent study type of a course. In an independent study course, you get all of the materials up front and then you complete them, and when you complete them you're finished with the course. Well, this one isn't like that. So if you forget to do a few things, or if life gets busy for a couple of weeks and you don't get those materials turned in, the assignments turned in, then you simply miss the credit for that work. It becomes a 0 in the grade book. So just keep in mind that if big things happen in your life, contact me as soon as possible. The course syllabus states that there is no missing work, but as a parent and a person with a medical history, I understand that things do happen. I'm happy to work with you as much as I can, but I have to be notified, and then we'll kind of work from there and set up a plan. So keep me updated. If you have questions about the course and how this course is going to fit into your life at this point, talk to me, talk to your advisor. I just wish you the best of luck. Thanks.